Every single week there's some new AI tool being launched, but how do you know which one is worth your time and which one you can actually use to make money online? Well, over the last 4 weeks, I was talking to different people who are using these AI tools to make insane amount of money online. So in this video, I want to talk to you about 7 new ideas to make money online using AI that are proven to work in real life and not just in theory.
This video is so amazing that I kept watching, and it's so good. It has so many information that I really wanted to share the details with you guys. So I did my analysis with AI, and now I clearly know what this is about. And the only problem with this video is that it's jam-packed with so much information and so many AI tools, and it hops from one thing to another so fast that you keep watching and you will never take action. At least I couldn't. And the reason is we have very limited time. Listen, if we work 8 hours and you commute 2 hours, then you spend family and personal time 4 hours and you sleep 8 hours, then you are left with only 2 hours. However, if you sleep 6 hours, then you will have 4 hours for your side hustle. Now that's it. That's the maximum. So you have to manage your time and actually make money within these 4 hours. Now, if you try something 4 hours per day for 30 days, you will spend 120 hours on that subject. And after spending 120 hours, you can pretty much call yourself an expert on the topic. But the problem is information overload. There are literally so much information, so many ways to make money, and so many AI tools. And a lot of them do exactly the same as the other. You will end up wasting all your time instead of focusing on one thing and actually do something and get results. So I have worked it out on your behalf, and I'm going to show you how you can actually make money. So let us consider you have total 2 hours per day, solid, that you can focus on. Divide these 2 hours in 4 30-minute slots. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, and another 30 minutes. Now these 2 slots is to build your long-term business. You're not going to make money instantly, but down the line, this will make you tons and tons of money. And these 2 slots are for fast cash. The money you will make from here will be reinvested into your long-term business plan. So you can make fast cash now, and you will actually build a long-term business. Now, before we begin, where is the money? Money is in other people's pocket. For example, Dave Nick. He has money. How can you get this money? Answer is simple. Do something that people like Dave is spending money on. For example, he makes videos, so he needs video editing. But on top of that, he needs something else. Tell me your ideas in the comments. Okay, let me help. Research. Research takes a lot of time. Research helps us take decision. And decision making is huge for people like Dave Nick, because he wants to research right, to take the right decision, to be able to shoot the right video, to be able to get a lot of views, and views makes him money. Now views make him money in 2 different ways. One is AdSense revenue, and second, views are real people, which is called traffic. These people will buy products, courses, mentorships, softwares from him, and he makes money. So one of the things you can do for fast cash is freelancing or agency services. The problem is it is not that easy. You need clients, and that's why you want to use existing traffic. So we want to go to the platforms where there are lots of existing traffic, and those platforms are helping you to sell and make money. Now keep in mind, while we are looking for those kind of platforms, we also want to keep our long-term business in mind. What do you want to do long-term? You want to get your own traffic. You want to generate your own leads. You want to build your own community, and you want to sell high-ticket offers to these people. Now, because of this traffic to leads to community, you build a rapport, relationship, authority, and trust with your tribe, and they become your tribe. When you offer them your high-priced product or service, they will buy and you will make money. But again, this is a long-term business model, but you can do it faster. If you want to do it fast, you want to build your business fast, then you need done-for-you solution. You need most of the hassles to be taken care of, technical work to be done for you by a team of experts, and you want to learn from a mentor who has been doing this for many years. And if you want to learn about our program where we help beginners earn high-ticket affiliate commissions and actually build their own traffic, leads, and community, then check the first link in the description and watch the free training. After the training, you will clearly understand what our program is about, and you will also learn how you can join. Back to the video. Let's say you are doing it all by yourself. So this is the process you want to go to. Okay, let's say you want to do it all by yourself. So this will be the process you want to go for. At the same time, you need quick cash, keep making money, So you will use existing traffic. For example, Etsy. Etsy has a lot of traffic. Search something on Etsy, let's say wallpaper, because these wallpapers can be created using simple AI tools. One of the most popular is Mid-Journey. It will cost you a little bit of money, but when you make money, you will forget about it. Check this store. They have 2,000 5-star ratings. So the total sales are minimum 20,000. If we multiply $39.90 times 20,000, that will be $798,000 in sales revenue. Are you going to make $798,000 overnight? Odds are low. But if you try, you will make some money. Some money is enough to inspire you to take more action and make more money. Another place where you can sell digital arts is Displate.com. There are tons of niches. These guys are selling these arts for $49 and they have over 15,000 reviews. Total sales should be approximately 150,000. That's like a lot. Times $49, it's $7 million. Now, probably this is not the case, or maybe it is. Most important is they definitely made money selling this digital art, and it is probably created using AI. That you can do it too. Okay, you got the point. Use your 30 minutes and 30 minutes slot per day to play around with softwares like Mid-Journey, made some images, posters, put them on places like Display.com, Etsy.com, get some organic sales and make money. Now, when you make money, don't just spend it on shiny objects. Use your money to generate traffic, leads, community, so you can sell them high ticket offers. How will you do that? Go back to AI. Basic applications like ChatGPT or Cloud. Learn valuable knowledge and skills fast. Remember, you have only 2 slots of 30 minutes and 30 minutes to make this happen. Then based on these newly learned knowledge and skills, make simple short videos, which are usually under 1 minute long. Upload the same videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You know what's interesting? These guys are in a war of getting attention through short videos. They will send you organic views. Remember views? The same views. Nick makes videos every single day. At the end of every video, add a call to action. Ask your viewers to click the link in the bio or in the description. Now when they visit your website, they become your traffic. You should give them something really cool, really useful, and really valuable. So they join your mailing list and becomes your leads. And they join your community, maybe paid, maybe free, and want to learn more from you. Now remember, you're already spending 2 slots of half an hour and half an hour every day to learn new skill and actually make money. Now your advice is more valuable than any other random YouTuber or a random content creator out there. And in fact, you will be more confident in your content. Now at this point, you can offer your community, your leads, your traffic, your high price coaching, masterminds, done for you services, and earn $1,000 to $5,000 to way up to $50,000 or $100,000 based on what you are offering, what value you can deliver to your audience, and whether they're capable of investing that much money or not. But at the end of the day, you're building a solid business just by using 2 hours of your time per day, strategically with discipline. So yes, learn about new tools, learn about AI, keep watching funny cat videos or other regular content, but build a discipline to build your own business. And if you think we can help you, or at least you want to check how we help beginner students earn $500 and $1,000 in passive affiliate commissions with a 99% done for you system, where we do most of the technical work, then check the link in the description and watch the free training. And if you have any question, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. For more money-making techniques, traffic generation techniques, watch these videos and this video, and we will see you in the next one.